Here's how to buy a domain in Wix.com. On a new tab, let's search Wix by domain. And click on this link, purchasing a domain from Wix. Click on your domains page. You'll be directed to your account settings. Just try to get a domain and search for it. If it's okay, get it. We can choose to upgrade and get it for free, or not, just buy this domain. Now we have options to choose for registration period. Click continue to confirm. We just fill in the contact information, then confirm by clicking continue. The third step is choosing privacy protection. Click continue to confirm. And lastly, fill in this payment method and confirm. And that is how you buy a domain in Wix.com.